Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Now this Excel sheet I want to upsert into an Pinecone vector database. vb.py, my Python file name. Let's enter. See here, we got all the records are inserted. Let's check in our Excel vector database. Let's refresh this one. See here, Excel vector database. Here we got all the records. Let's minimize. Now let's check the first record is P004, which is a laptop, HP Pavilion 4 and portable laptop with fast SSD storage. And also check the vectors also. Vector embeddings, fetch, and this is the vector embeddings is stored and metadata. If you guys notice here, I have opened one Excel sheet which contains some data, product ID, product category, product name and description. Now I want to insert this data into the Pinecone vector database. Just for the time saving, I have already logged into my Pinecone vector database. Go to database. First we need to create one index. So first create the index, Excel vector database. I'm using Llama AI model, create index. Right now, if you notice, there is no records in this index name. So switch over to our Python code. I have just created the Python file in Visual Studio Code, and also I have uploaded my Excel sheet in the Visual Studio Code. Now first thing we require these three namespaces, Pandas for Excel sheet, Pinecone to connect the Pinecone vector database, and we require the OpenAI key. Make sure you have to install these three namespaces after that. Now after the next step is I'm adding my OpenAI key. These steps why I'm not showing here. Let me close this one. These steps why I'm not showing means in my previous video I have already showed. Again these steps I'm not repeating. But one thing here I want to mention, PC which is a Pinecone, I'm indexing, I'm adding the Pinecone index name which is our this one. Excel vector database. Make sure the index name is correct. Pinecone index name is. And after that, now the next step we need to read our Excel file from this. This is a file name. So df is equals to pd.readExcel. ReadExcel is a function. Between double quotes, I am adding my Excel sheet name. After that, I am creating the records. So I need records is equals to, I have multiple now, so I am adding an array. Now the next step is for loop. I am using underscore row in df dot iteration rows is a function colon. Why I am adding this underscore here? If you check here, the pandas will create a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. That I don't want because in our Excel sheet I have already product IDs is there. So I'm using that thing. So just ignore the default sequence provided by the pandas. PID is equals to string row. Here I'm adding between double quotes. These fields I need to add here. So PID, this one I required. So I'm adding PID. Then now the text is equals to format double quotes product ID. Let's give the capital letter, product ID colon row PID. Now category, between single quotes I am adding P name, and the last one is the description. So between single quotes description. So I have created the records. Now I need to generate the embeddings for Pinecone to store the vector database. Embedding is equals to PC is what is a variable I have created here for vector database. No, sorry, for Pinecone vector database. For Pinecone vector database, pc.inference.embed. Embed. Now here I am adding the model. Model is equals to what's the model I am using. Switch over to our Pinecone vector database. This is the model I am adding. So just copy this one and paste here. We need to add comma here. Then inputs is equals to text. Inputs parameters is equals to curly brackets, double quotes, input underscore type. What is the input type? Is a passage and truncate colon end colon semicolon. Vector is equals to embedding. This embedding I am adding here. 0. I need to add the values. Now let's append the records. Records.append method between curly brackets id colon PID. Values are nothing but a vector here. Then metadata. What is metadata? Which is the everything, the whole columns, PID, PCAT, PName, product name, description. Just for the time saving, I am adding here. Now the final thing is we need to insert the records. So index.upsert function vectors is equals to records. Then I need to print to confirm format. That's it. Let's save this file. Save. Let's minimize this one. Go to view, click terminal. In the terminal, I'm adding vb.py, my Python file name. Let's enter. See here, we got all the records are inserted. Let's check in our Excel vector database. Let's refresh this one. See here, Excel vector database. Here we got all the records. Let's minimize. Now let's check the first record is P004, which is a laptop, HP Pavilion 4 and portable laptop with fast SSD storage. And also check the vectors also. Vector embeddings, fetch, and this is the vector embeddings is stored and metadata. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.